Rima, wake up, dear. It's morning now.
Mom, I am very sleepy.
Come on, my child. You have to go to school. You will be late.
Go and brush your teeth and wash your face.
Yes, Mom.
Don't forget to comb your hair. Now eat your breakfast. It is important.
Thank you, Mom. The food is very tasty.
Here is your school uniform. Wear it quickly.
Mom, where are my socks and shoes?
Be careful on the road.
Okay, Mom. Bye.
Bye, dear. Have a good day.